So here in my little workshop, I mainly use these lights right here. There is a light right here with a fan. It doesn't work the best. And I built a different light, which is this thing right here. Flip this on, and it lights up quite a bit. Now, if you're asking yourself what those are these. I'm sure you've seen them at Home Depot or Lowe's, or these three-finned LED lights. What I did is I took one of those, pulled it apart, and built my own little housings for it. And then I made a control box for it right here. Well, this control box needs some work. One, it's very loud. And two, it's not mounted very well. So we're going to do a redesign on that. And we got those parts right here. Let's do it. Okay, so it's all done. Here's the old one. You can see the fan where the input was. Just a little squirrel cage fan. I'll probably take this off and use it for something else. We have the box remounted. Nice and neat. Turn the switch on. Lights up. We're good to go.